What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another video. Today I will be giving y'all an update on this wig right here. I'm gonna have a little video or a clip right here or right here showing you the reference to this wig. Is OriginalQueenHair. This was their 20-inch Jerry Curly 13x6 lace front wig. Y'all, as you can see, I've cut it. Y'all, it's been 3 months. This is my final review on this wig, and I'm gonna give you guys details, let you know if it's worth buying or not. Alright. First thing I want to get into about this wig is the lace. It did take bleaching to the knots perfectly, and of course, like I said, it did come pre-plucked, but I went in and plucked it some more for myself for some personal customization. It has been 3 months. I do not wear this wig every day, but I've worn it, I'd say I'd say 3 months. I think out of those whole 3 months, I can say I've worn it for maybe 4 to 5 weeks, but not in a row, if that makes sense. The knots did bleach well. It did come pre-plucked, and the only thing I can say is around my edges a little bit, like over here you can see, it did thin out a little bit, but it wasn't much. I think if I would have wore it more back to back, it would thin out more, but I still managed to make it work. Again, I know you guys are like, why'd you cut it? Why'd you cut it? Y'all, it is hot as hell in Georgia, okay? It's October and it's like 93 degrees. So I don't know what's going on, but my neck, my back, you know, can't handle that. Like, it's too much, it's hot, it's too much hair. And the hair did come to like right here on me. I'll enter another clip right here so you guys can see what it looks like beforehand. But I did cut it into this, I guess you can say 8-inch bob, just because, again, like I said, it was getting really hot, and I just wanted to try another style. As far as shedding goes, I get strands here and there when I finger comb through. Like, I just got one little strand, but I didn't have crazy shedding with this hair. My biggest problem was, I ain't gonna say tangling, but I guess matting in the nape area in the back. I did notice after I'd wear for a long period of time, I say over 8 hours, once I took it off, there would be like tangled up little matte piece in the back. But other than that, I did not have any problems out of this hair. It's held up so well. The curl pattern is still cute. I have only, I think, a curl cream, and then a I had put in a foam setting foam, wave foam thing. Yeah, I'm so sorry, I'm so tongue-tied. But I use that, and that's the only products I have in the hair. It's held up very nice for 3 months, like I said. Do I think it's worth the money? Yes. Yeah, I know I look like a little mushroom right now, but I like it so much. I think it's so cute. It's like a little blunt bob thing that I got going on. I think this wig should last me another 3 months, since I don't wear them back to back. So I would say in total like 6 months, which I really think is really worth your money if you can get 6 months wear out of a lace front wig without no holes, no rips, no nothing. And y'all, I haven't had any of those problems at all. No holes, no tears, no rips, no nothing. Like I said, I did get some balding a little bit, or thinning out of my edges in the front, but that was about it. For the most part, it looks like it does when I first installed it 3 months ago. So yeah, trying to think what else could you guys ask. Here's a 360 of the hair if you guys want to see. I hope my cut's even, y'all. Please don't butcher me. But yeah. Another thing is like right here in this area. I don't know if you can see, but like I can feel my tracks right there. And I don't know if that's from, you know, the hair falling out or something, or just because I be having it wet. But to solve that, I just poof up the hair in the back, you know, nothing crazy. But yeah, guys, I do suggest getting this hair or trying this hair. And again, Original Queen hair. This is their 20-inch Kinky Curly 13x6 lace front wig. And this is my final 3-month review. I did cut it into a bob. If you guys want to see more videos like this or see a tutorial on how I did this with another unit, just comment below. I appreciate you guys. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.